Electricity is the heartbeat of every business, school, and healthcare facility. One flicker of power can change everything.
What makes healthcare facilities unique from an electrical perspective is the set of codes that are required are not only from the municipalities, but also from the state, the Department of Health.
At the core of Garden Electric is a team committed to quality, safety, and customer service. It all began with a mission to raise the standard in commercial electrical work.
GARELE Electric is a full-service electrical contractor specializing in commercial, light industrial, institutional, residential, and various low-voltage communications and structured cabling. GARELE Electric has evolved from having myself and a couple technicians to having several crews of technicians and sometimes up to 20 or 30 men working on various projects. The importance of emergency power systems in healthcare facilities is to ensure the safety of the residents that reside at these locations.
We work closely with the project management teams so that we can get all the information up front before we start the job, including making sure we have all the rules and regulations in place, the requirements, government funding, tax exemptions, and so forth, because these are very crucial and we have to follow them to the T. We use a system to start the job, and that is a form that we fill out that includes all the important information. The contact people, the project management, when we submit for billing, when things are due, when their board may meet to approve payment, and accounts payable information, tax exempt information. It's all in one spot, so we know who to talk to when we need something in particular. Following this plan ensures that we have a successful project.
When lives and learning are on the line, Garden Electric brings power and peace of mind.
Healthcare is one of the most demanding sectors of electrical work because of the scrutiny taken to review the work that we install at these locations. The approach we take for the design for the emergency backup systems for the healthcare facilities is unique based on the needs that they have, and we try to take a team approach to make sure that their needs are met when we put the design together. The biggest challenge that arises when we upgrade the older buildings in these healthcare facilities is that the codes have changed since the time the building was built, so we oftentimes have to bring them up to current code.
When we're working in a hospital or nursing home, we have different codes that we have to go by. We have to not only go by the local codes, but we also have to go by the Illinois Department of Health codes. The first concern is the residents of the nursing home or the children in the school to make sure that everybody's safe and away from any construction. Then we communicate with everybody that there's possibility of outages and what they can expect. After the generators are installed, we have a load test that comes in to ensure that the generator can handle the load of the building. The generator is tested weekly to ensure that it runs, and then annually there's a load test to make sure that it can handle the load. I've been working in the electrical field for over 30 years. I like what I do, and I like serving our customers.
Garden Electric did several projects for us. The bigger project they did, it was installing the generator for us. The biggest thing that impressed us about Garden Electric is communication and keeping us informed of every step. I would totally work with Garden Electric again, and I will recommend them to other people.
Garden Electric builds systems that don't just work. They meet and exceed Illinois' toughest standards.
We have a good relationship with the local code authorities and inspectors to ensure that the job gets done on schedule and done properly. We're constantly updating ourselves on the local code changes to ensure that the projects are completed in compliance with those codes. At Garden Electric, we make sure that all of our employees know to put our clients' needs first.
To learn more about Garden Electric, visit their website, gardenelectricinc.com, or see this segment again on InsideTheBlueprint.com.